hate to say it, but looking pretty good. Hi, welcome back. I think today's video is gonna be on the short side. We're gonna do our garage sale tomorrow and spent all yesterday evening getting stuff together. So I didn't get a chance to come out here and shoot a video. On top of that, I slept in, so I gotta go work in less than an hour. What we're gonna do tonight, I have the original fender for the front. It looks to be in pretty good shape, so I think we might keep it and try to finesse it a little bit. It has a few dings and stuff needs to be bent on a little bit, but I think it'll work out pretty good. Look at that, and we'll try to fit it on here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to put a Tek screw to this panel here, the kick panel into the inner fender, I'm calling it, because that clamp is gonna be in the way. So we'll look at that too, and then of course we'll finish this out, sand this down, and I got some solvent wash, kind of get all the grease and grime off of it, and some self-etching primer. Before we leave, we'll go ahead and hit that with some of this. Other than that, I think we'll be lucky to get all that done. But we'll definitely get this painted for sure, and we'll show you that fender. Anyways, we'll try to get that on there and everything kind of lined up. And we'll probably get the new door from back there. That will be kind of put it up and see what it looks like. Probably mess with the door pillar again, kind of get it or what I think it might be, and then we'll go ahead and put a Tek screw in it. And then we'll try to fit everything up. Probably have to do a bunch of plug welding to weld up all the holes I'm probably gonna make and trying to fit it just right. But anyways, enough talking. Let's head over there and I'll show you the fender and mess with stuff again. All right, there's that fender I was talking about. Only problems I see is a ding right there, and that corner needs to be bent down a little bit. But other than that, I don't see too much wrong with it. So that's what we're gonna try to fit today. We'll probably get this kind of how we want it. If I put a Tek screw in the top, maybe one through this, and then we'll put a couple in the door pillar once we get it kind of where we want it. Hopefully that'll be enough to hold the new door. We'll mess with that. Anyways, don't got much time, so let's get at it. think what needs to happen is this probably needs to move up some, get rid of that gap a little bit. That will widen this out a bit. I don't think I can go much wider. That's a pretty big gap. And this bottom outer rocker needs to move up quite a bit. Concerned with this. I have my original door in the back. I may bring it out and put it up here and see if it's the same width. If it's not, and it's a little bit longer than this one, I'll probably go with that one. I couldn't find my hinges. Fender fit up okay. Only issue I see is that, which I'm not sure how that was before. I mean, you can see the hole's kind of off, but there's no bolt back here, so I don't know about that gap right here. If I push it back further, so I guess it could go back a little bit. I need to line up. Yeah, those holes need to line up, so it needs to be pushed back just a tad. I'll make that door pillar come back, and that should make the door move back just a hair. So we might be okay. I hate to say it, but looking pretty good. I may have a complete side. Anyways, gonna take the door down, take the fender off. We'll finish this inside out and get some paint on it and call it a day. All right, we didn't turn out too bad. A little bit of stuff right there. You can sand that out and go back over it. That stuff laid down pretty good and pretty even, which surprised me. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. So we kind of just messed around with the door opening, the pillar, and got the new door. Gonna go get the old one and see if it's any different length. We'll try to get that fit next time. I don't have to order hinges, so I don't know what happened to mine. I know I took them off the doors. I'd like to hear your thoughts. You think stainless steel billet or just paintable ones would be best? Thinking about going with like a gunmetal gray with black accents, maybe. Is the way I was gonna go with it, but maybe that could change between here and there. I think I'm gonna head out here. You can see, I don't know if you can tell, but there's hundreds of dirt daubers flying around. If y'all have any ideas or know anything that works to get rid of them, please let me know. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Next time, we get the old door, and hopefully I have my hinges. I don't know if we will or not, if I have to order them. but I'll look for them too. I think the door pillar is probably where it needs to be, as in back and forth, because I put the outer rocker in and it pushed it to almost level. So I think the outer rocker is the correct length. So we have a lot of, I didn't show you the issue. Basically on the kick panel has a bend in it where the door pillar is supposed to sit against it. Well, to get this correct, the door pillar has to sit on the bend. So I'm wondering if I could just flatten that out or something like that. I'm not sure, but I'll show you next time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully we'll have everything mocked up and we can take it apart and start welding everything in. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next time.